Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today on YOUCANIC we got a 2019 Nissan Rogue, and on this Nissan Rogue we're going to go over how you'd replace your wipers, windshield wipers. So we've got our wiper here. If you just raise the wiper arm, and we've got it up like this, and this is a simple J-hook design, and so then there's a little tab right here. You're just going to pull it, and then you can pull the whole wiper assembly backwards, and that, like I said, that little release the clip there, and we have our new wiper. You're just going to slide it up in the channel there, and then once you've got it lined up in the groove there, then you just pull it until it hits that snap button. This would be the button to release it for the next time, and then spread it down, and that's how you replace that one. We'll go do the passenger one. So it's going to be the same thing. We're going to raise that arm in the air, pull the wiper like this, pull the little tab, pull it down, and so then in the same manner take this one and get it lined up and pull it up until it snaps. And this has a cover on the blade that you're going to want to remove, and then just put the arm back down. So that's how you replace the two front windshield wipers on your 2019 Nissan Rogue. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.